Show me the heroes the youth of your country look up to, and I shall tell you the future of your country. Jai Hind. I'm Under Officer Riddhi Limay from Bhopal Group, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh Directorate. Today, I am going to speak on the topic Role of Youth in Nation Security, and I shall speak for the motion. Youth are enthusiastic, motivative, innovative and creative in nature, make up the most important section of the population. Youth shows willpower, passion and motivation, which are the most important human resource for fostering economic, cultural and political development of any nation. India is 51% under 25. Unfortunately, in India, youth is not even exposed to the rudimentary aspects of Indian security. India faces security issues both from external and internal resources. Wars on the borders and the spread of negative terrorism within the subcontinent is handled by manpower that is military. Internal affairs or problems should also be handled as they can also hamper the growth of the country. As NCC is the largest youth organization and the second line of defense, we as NCC cadets should also contribute to the nation's security. Since young people are the most productive willpower, India is expected to be the fourth largest economy by the end of 2025 and would contribute about 6% to the world's GDP. Young people are coming up with different innovative ideas. NCC organized NCC Yogdan exercise, in which NCC cadets provided people with masks and sanitizers. They guided people about the vaccination drive and provided them information about the COVID-19 precautions and guidelines. Cyber Youth Singapore launches Cyber Youth Summit 2021, which is one of the most largest youth summit held till now. India has represented its rich talent in the Olympics, which are going to be held in Tokyo. Indian government comes up with ideas and articles, for example, the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana 3.0, which provides a platform to the youth to put forth its skills and ideas. This year on 12th April 2021, Skill India Kaushal Mela was held in Haridwar. National Youth Awards are given by the government. More such activities will promote and attract youth to do some good work. UN Peacekeeping has long recognized the importance of collaborating with youth. They have started building the capacity of youth in resolving the conflicts. As a young nation, we have to recognize the power of youth, the force which has immense potential and needs to be harnessed to build our nation. The current trend of youth being hyperactive on social media needs to be channelized by diverting their energy into nation building. We cannot always build the future of our youth, but we can always build the youth for our future. Thank you. Jai Hind.